Hello, this is Sol from Tesla Owners US, and this is the, you remember the good customer service example from Blue Chip here in Arizona. Unfortunately, they are only in Arizona. The problem was there is what we noticed later, there was a chip on the top glass, and they caused it. And without any problems, they came back and said, we're going to fix it for you next week. We got a new top window or top glass for that, and we're going to take care of that. And here's the video.
We wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is.
This is something that I wanna keep.
We will never meet again.
Yeah, and this company saw it very quick, exchanged the top window, no discussion. They said, yep, sorry, was our mistake, should not happen, but we have a new window here available. We're going to send out our team next week. We're going to change the top window for that as well. And immediately they did it, and see how special they did it. It did it in your garage again, or in Mike's garage, actually. And they are taking care of your customers. And this is a good example where Tesla should do the same. Okay, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time with another instruction video or repair video.